Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. I'm laughing because my daughter didn't know I was filming. She came walking out here. This is my first cook on my new Blackstone Griddle, and I want to give a big shout out to my friends Pave at Pave's Projects, and I apologize if I'm saying your name wrong, and her husband Ron from Big Ron's Hobbies, because he did a video on how to season it for the first time. So we're gonna cook big on it tonight. We're gonna do some smash burgers, we're gonna do some Italian sausages, hot dogs, onion and pepper, some leftover steak, hash browns, toast our buns on it. So right now we got it heating up, so as soon as it gets heated up we'll get started. Okay, we're ready.
Yep.
Just gonna put a little bit of oil down, and I'll put some right here for the burgers. Like I say, this ain't a how-to video, we're just bringing you along.
It's not even on.
Yes, it is.
Do we have peppers and onions, Mother?
Yes. Alright, we're going to let our Italian sausages start to go, and then we'll put the burgers on. Now, ready for the burgers. I like thin burgers. Oh, you probably didn't even see that. I don't know why he put it way over there on the grill like that. Sorry. Ricky's putting it on the grill.
Well, why not just take that and throw a couple strips of bacon on it? And then we just have the griddle now. Oh yeah, look at that, loose meat sandwich.
Trying to stick. Yeah, I know I'm not supposed to smash it after I get it. I got my famous pink cup. Can you guess what I'm drinking in it? They didn't stick when we flipped them the second time. They're going to try some shrimp on here too. I don't know if you see that one over there for our taster. Oops. Alright, our burgers are ready. We're going to pull them up, keep them warm. Now I have some dehydrated hash browns that I've been soaking in boiling water for a bit, and I'm going to try some hash browns on here. Put hash browns right here.
Having the bratwurst.
Yeah, this Italian sausage.
Oh God, that smells like the fair. That smells wonderful.
It's supposed to be ready here in a minute, Nikki.
When did you get the grill, Pete?
Remember last week?
Oh yeah. This is nice, Pete.
Yeah.
It smells wonderful.
I love it.
In the
I love
box.
the smell of peppers. Oh.
Now I'm just going to try covering this one to see how it does. I mean, it smells amazing out here. And that he's chopping up is some leftover steak from last night.
Here.
Yeah, just set it there out of the way. Look at all of this glory right here.
Yeah, it just smells like that booth in Dollywood.
I know, it's amazing. Time to try to flip some of these hash brown piles. Look at that, look at that. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer before I try to flip these other ones. Okay, my nephew just got here and he wants to try it. Alright, go. And that's my daughter's little onion pile that's going to go in her hash brown.
That was fun.
Okay, now the asparagus is going on.
If you don't want to open it over, we'll just open mine. And if you want to keep this pristine in box. Because I loaf for mine anyway, because I want to watch the documentary. Alex, I need to ask your theory or opinion on something Star Wars.
Ooh, let me hear it too.
Okay, they're not staying together too good, but this is my first time.
Oh, dude, I got my new computer, dude. You should come over and check it out.
Okay, I'm going to squirt just a little bit of water on the hash browns to make them steam a little bit. Alright, we're taking out the asparagus and the peppers and the onions. Here's our toasted buns. There's Brandon cleaning his phone. There's Mitchell. Y'all know him. Y'all know him. That's Michaela. Y'all know Nikki. Here's our hash browns, peppers and asparagus, all the meat and everything. So thanks for watching as we cook. We've been tasting everything and everything's perfect. Hash browns are good too. I'm going to perfect those though. But thanks for watching. I'll bring you back on my next cook. Bye y'all.